Hi, this is Brian from iWire. This is our 6-cylinder swapped RS. It's a 2010 Tribeca engine, 3.6 liter, with a 13 STI 6-speed, with a DCCDPro for the DCCD, and a VSSPro to get the vehicle speed working. The customizations to it are an MPFR, which is a return, basically an added return fuel system, because the Tribeca doesn't have it from the factory. The fuel pump is just a stock STI fuel pump. The exhaust has Raptor headers and then a custom mid-pipe setup done by Metro Performance of SoCal and a Invidia Catback exhaust. Outside of that, it's pretty much stock. We put a Legacy Radiator in from 2001 to 2004, moved the radiator fans to the front, and then made our own external power steering reservoir to get that hooked up.
Alright, what's up everybody? Brian, tell everybody where we're going today.
We're going to the airport to pick up Travis from Snail / M45 in Sacramento. He's coming down to tune my 3.6 swapped RS, and we're going to grab him and then head over to Metro Performance.
It's going to be a fun day. Stay tuned. Welcome to Orange County. What's up?
Just sit, go. Cruise. Sit and cruise. Hey, what's up? What's up? How's it going? Good.
Hello, hello.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
So what you doing?
I don't know.
Porno.
Busted. Damn, if that wasn't almost perfect. Let's go a little more. That's about it.
I got you. Yeah, he said he owes his favor.
Your car's on the dyno with the 6-cylinder.
Pretty stoked. Enjoying being able to watch the work happen. These guys are great. Very knowledgeable. Just gonna sit back and enjoy it.
Frank, are you excited too?
Yeah, I'm excited.
You can just feel the joy coming from both of you.
Yeah!
Bucky makes a Rocco.
220 I believe it was, and we got it up to 224, which some people does not a big jump, but the main thing is we gained a lot of average power over the entire curve. Down low, I think we ended up gaining almost 10 average horsepower and torque, which that's a big gain that a lot of people don't get. They always think peak numbers. Right. But for an NA flat 6, for gaining 10 wheel horsepower and torque down low, that's a big feat. He's going to definitely feel that on the street. It'll be a lot of fun.
Yep, so no issues.
No issues. Car ran great, so kudos for everyone that worked on that thing. Made it run awesome. I mean, we had a few little things that we updated the firmware on the Haltech, make it, a few extra features, make it run a little bit better. Yeah. But other than that, flawless.
Flawless. Yeah. Flawless. I like that. I feel like I'm in the middle of a breakdance circle.
Go, do it first.
Go, baby. Go, baby. Jimmy's already stoked out right now.
You're in my shot.
It's so good. I did one take and I did it good.